How to download and set up Windows 11 into a USB flash drive. First, open your preferred browser and search Windows 11 ISO download. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and wait while I take you through every step. Click on the first result here which says download Windows 11. A web page then opens with all the options you can use to install Windows 11, but I'll be showing you how to do this into a USB flash drive. So, I will select the option with Create Windows 11 Installation Media, so click Download. The installation media tool will then start downloading automatically. You just have to wait few seconds. Click the Show in Folder icon to locate the downloaded file. I will be cutting the installation file to desktop for a better view. Right-click on an empty space on my desktop, then select the Paste option. Right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator. Please hit the subscribe button. This will encourage us to make more videos. Also, you can now use the thanks button below to appreciate us if you find our video helpful. Getting few things ready. We are one step to setting up Windows 11 in our USB flash drive. Don't leave. Read terms carefully, but in my case I'll just click on the Accept button. Select Language and Edition page. You can choose to use recommended options for this PC by leaving it checked, otherwise uncheck and do your custom settings. Click Next when done. In this page, you have to select the option with USB flash drive, and make sure you have having a flash drive of 8 GB RAM above. Click on Next. You need to insert your USB flash drive right now. Insert it, and click the refresh option if you've not seen it display here. Here is mine. Click on Next afterwards. Windows 11 starts downloading immediately. Do not eject USB flash drive. This takes time, depending on your internet speed. But in my case, let's cut this session and move to the next step. Verifying downloads. Do not eject flash drive. This also take couple of time, but in this video I will cut to the next step. Creating Windows 11 media. This will take couple of time, so I will cut to next step. Great! USB flash drive is ready, but do not eject. Click on Finish button and wait for next step. The steps in this video shows you how to prepare a USB flash drive with all the necessary files to install, upgrade, or reinstall Windows 11 on a computer. Let's open USB flash drive and check if this was properly done. Everything is intact. Right-click on the drive and select Eject. It's now safe to remove. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment your thoughts and also use the thanks button below. You can as well join our membership by clicking the Join button below.